Hello Makanku lovers! How to cook Makanku steeped tofu. Open the plastic package. Take out all the things inside. You will find ready to cook steeped tofu. How to cook? It's very simple. First, heat the vegetable oil, open the plastic, and take out the steeped tofu. Put the steeped tofu into hot oil. Fry with medium heat until done. After that, take it out and let it cool in a room temperature. Serve it on the plate. This is it! Makanku steeped tofu ready to eat. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.